Kids Zone with Trishy. Hello, friends. Do you want to learn the alphabet with me? All right, let's get to it. A, apple, apple. B, boat, boat. C, cat, cat. D, dolphin, dolphin. E, elephant, elephant. Frog, frog. G, guitar, guitar. H, horse, horse. I, ice cream, ice cream. J, jellyfish, jellyfish. K, kangaroo, kangaroo. L, lion, lion. M, monkey, monkey. N, nest, nest. O makes a O sound and ah sound. Owl, owl. P, Can you find a word that starts with P? Pencil, pencil. Q, queen, queen. R, robot, robot. S, sun, sun. T, train, train. U, unicorn, unicorn. V, volcano, volcano. W, whale, whale. X, xylophone, xylophone. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra, zebra. Just remember, friends, some letters sound two different ways. See you next time. Mwah!